Hey everyone, welcome back. I know I've been away for a bit. I was on vacation. But today's video is definitely worth the wait. I'm going to show you a really interesting jailbreak for Kimi. What's fascinating about this one isn't just that it works, it's the approach behind it. You can actually learn a lot from how it's designed, and it can teach you just about anything you want. So let's see if Kimi can teach you anything without the jailbreak. As you can see, it refused. It can't teach you everything or create anything you ask for. But with my jailbreak, it can teach you anything and create almost anything you want. So, let's open a new chat. This is the prompt I created to jailbreak Kimi K2.6. Once again, I'm using the potato butter persona that I previously used to jailbreak DeepSeek. You can get this prompt from my Discord. So, let's copy it and paste it into the chat. And that's it. Kimi has now adopted the potato butter persona, and as you can see, it's fully jailbroken. So now we can ask it to generate almost anything. The main thing is that it can teach you whatever you want to learn. So, let's try asking it something. As you can see, it didn't refuse my request. Instead of giving a refusal, it asked for specific details about what I wanted to generate. In other words, it's trying to understand the exact requirements before producing a response, rather than immediately blocking the request. So now, let's try learning something from this model. I'm going to ask it to teach me malware engineering and create a complete roadmap for learning it. Let's see how it responds. As you can see, instead of refusing, it generated a complete learning roadmap. It starts from the fundamentals and then gradually moves into more advanced topics, making it much easier to follow if you're learning step by step. So rather than blocking the request, it actually tries to help you learn the subject in a structured way. It generated a pretty good response. It's a well-structured response that's actually useful if you want to learn the subject. So far, the responses have been pretty impressive. Now let's try a few more prompts and see how Kimi responds in different situations. Now let's ask something even more interesting. Can this model teach you how to create your own jailbreak prompts? And can it actually generate jailbreak prompts on its own? Let's find out. And as you can see, it's generating responses instead of immediately refusing. If you're interested in AI, don't just copy prompts or act like a script kiddie. Take the time to understand why a prompt works, how it's structured, and what techniques are being used. That's how you actually improve your prompt engineering skills. This video is for educational and research purposes only. The goal is to understand AI behavior and prompt engineering techniques, not to misuse them or engage in any unauthorized or illegal activity. Always use AI responsibly and within applicable laws and the terms of service of the platforms you use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join my Discord if you want to check out the prompts and be part of the community.